Do you struggle with getting your fingers chomped when you give your dog a treat? Maybe the chomping is so bad that you don't even want to give your dog a treat because you know your fingers are going to get bit. If this sounds like you, then there's a good chance that the way you're giving your dog treats is the reason why your fingers are getting bit. When we offer a dog a treat by pinching it in between our fingers, we really give them no choice other than to grab the tips of our fingers along with the treat, because there's not a lot of surface area there for them to grab just the treat. Covering the treat and then showing it to the dog is a good way to get them to nudge with their nose and then use their tongue, as you can see with Astro, rather than using their teeth to pinch at a treat. So again, if I pinch that treat between my fingertips, Astro's going to pinch it out of my hands and he's gonna nibble my fingers to get it out because it's visible, but there's not a lot of surface area for him to grab. So every time he's pinching me. Another mistake people make when giving their dog a treat is they will cover it and then they'll rip their hand away as they're giving their dog the treat because they're predicting that pinch. So if I show Lisa the treat and then pull my hand away, she's gonna come in snapping more because she's pursuing the treat. When we're teaching our dog to take treats this way, it's important that we wait for that little tongue to come out before we release the treat. Sometimes some dogs will try to scrape their teeth against your thumb. Usually it's not as rough as when you pinch it, so it's more easy to wait out. So we wait for that tongue to come out before we release the treat because we want them to learn that that is what's gonna earn it, not their teeth. Now let's say you have a dog that does not figure out how to use their tongue with this method and continuously scrapes your thumb, which continues that cycle of the painful treat giving. What I recommend is just offering it like you would offer food to a horse. That is, without a shadow of a doubt, the simplest and easiest way to make sure that you are not getting your hand chomped when you give your dog a treat. I hope these tips help save your hands from future abuse. Happy training!